Hey, what's going on, YouTube? So, I just started this project. It's a 2007 Honda Rebel CMX 250, and just redoing it. It was one of the first bikes I ever did a couple years ago, and we're just gonna completely redo it because I've learned a lot from building bikes, and it actually belongs to my mother-in-law. I'll put a picture of it here of what it looked like. But yeah, this is where we're at. I stripped this bike down in like 20 minutes. These Rebels are nothing. But the plan is we're going to put a 1970 style Sportster tank, Frisco tank right there. And the engine's going to be blacked out. Going to relocate the battery. Just fully rebuild it. Just make it fresh as possible. Just wanted to do a little video on like the condition of the engine. This bike sat outside for years, and at one point all these covers were really polished, like mirror finish, and now it's just, it looks like shit. And I'm gonna try to polish the frame up and see what it looks like, and if I'm not happy with it, I'm just gonna repaint it. We're gonna do powder coat the triple tree clamp black. The bottom one, wheels will be powder coated, tank powder coated. And yeah, just wanted to show you what it looks like right now. And that's where I'm at with it. And I'll let you know when the engine's off. Alright, so I'm back. Got the engine off. It's pretty dirty. It's going to be a lot of prep work. Here's the condition of the frame. Pretty good. That's just dirt. I don't see any major rust or anything. I'm going to clean it up, polish it, see what it looks like. But yeah, there's the engine. This mount I can't get out. Put a little WD-40 in there. I'm going to try to get this bolt out and redo these brackets. But other than that bracket, everything's pretty good, pretty smooth so far. So here's where I'm going to stop with it for today. I did end up polishing some of the frame, and it came out pretty damn good. So I don't really see the need to sand this whole frame down and repaint it, because I mean, that looks pretty damn good to me. This is supposed to be just a quick little fun build. It's not taking it that seriously, but that's where that's at. And yeah, the next thing to do is prep and paint the engine. I'm probably going to do that tomorrow. So if you guys are interested in seeing what it's going to look like, seeing the end result, follow my Instagram, subscribe. I'm going to keep trying to do more videos like this, more vlog style, just showing you what I do. I'm doing this out back of my house. I don't have a shop or anything, no fancy tools, just fucking hard work. That's it.